That OEC file stores email messages and folder data from the OE Classic email client. Your inbox, sent items, and folder structure preserved in one database. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage, backup, or migrate these email data files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized OEC tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. OEC files are email storage files. For OE Classic, a Windows email client designed as a replacement for Outlook Express and Windows Live Mail. They contain email messages, folder hierarchies, contact data, and account settings in a consolidated database format. OE Classic OEC files use a proprietary database format, storing email message headers, bodies, and attachments, alongside folder tree structures, contact records, and application settings. They provide a single file email store, replacing the multiple DBX or EML files of older clients. We suggest testing the OEC file first with the utility OE Classic from Infobyte. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows cannot open most vendor-specific backup files, so dedicated utilities must handle them. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the OEC file and choose Open With. Use OE Classic first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If your OEC file is not opening yet, that is normal. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, backing up email. Navigate to OE Classic's data directory, typically found at %app.%OE Classic, and copy the OEC data files to an external drive or cloud storage location. This backs up your complete email archive, including all messages, folders, contacts, and account configurations. Next, importing from other clients. Use OE Classic's Import feature under File. Then import to bring in emails from Outlook Express, DBX Windows, Live Mail, EML, or Mozilla Thunderbird Mbox formats. The import wizard converts messages into OEC format and preserves folder structure and message organization. Finally, exporting email. Use OE Classic's Export feature to save emails as individual EML files or as Mbox archives for migration to other email clients. Select folders to export and choose the output format. EML files can be imported into virtually any email client, including Thunderbird and Outlook. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.